Hello and welcome to a brief preview video ahead of the FOMC Minutes. They're due at the usual time of 7 PM London, that's 1 o'clock in Chicago, and this is from their monetary policy setting meeting back on April the 30th. Now, with the Fed on track to continue tapering by around $10 billion per month, which they did last time, all focus is about rates at the moment and when that first rate hike will be. The minutes could indicate that Yellen earlier this year overstated the rate path and that considerable period between the end of QE and the first rate hike is not explicit. Remember, a slip of a tongue, she mentioned that it could be around 6 months. So again, FOMC members could say that's overstated, and quite a few members are expected to vote in favour of that. Last time, though, was the first time the Fed decisions were unanimous. Kosher Lakota joined the ranks, and notably Kosher Lakota speaking before the minutes alongside 3 other Fed officials. So there are 3 voters and 1 no voter due to speak before the minutes, so we could get further insight into that, which could mean that reaction to the actual minutes release could be slightly muted. Fed also could talk about growth at the moment. When they were last meeting, we saw that GDP reading, which was a slight contraction. Now, this is an important time for markets. Quite a few technical levels around where we are. The US 10-year yield, that's around 2.5%, was tested on Tuesday, and also the 1.5% yield in the 5-year, also trading around current levels. US equity markets have pulled off record highs, means could be scope for upside and downside, and markets are pricing in the first rate hike currently in July 2015, so any pushback or move forward of those expectations could cause volatility across markets, but again, not expected to be a huge market move. There was no change to guidance at the last meeting. The Fed also likely to have discussed the reverse repo, but nothing too significant in terms of monetary policy decisions. But that's the main points. Again, that's at the usual time of 7 PM London, 1 o'clock Chicago. But thank you very much for listening. Good luck with the FOMC Minutes.